and welcome to today's session. Today we'll be covering wind turbines. But before we move forward, let me just remind you all, today's session was brought to you all by the Shell S.T.R.E.A.M program, powered by NIHERST. Now I, Kadijha Watch, will be presenting a little bit on wind turbines and how they work. Once I'm finished, my colleague Andre will step in and allow you all to learn a little bit about how we're going to do today's activity. So, wind turbines. Now, wind turbines allow us to accomplish the most simplest theory in science. What's that theory? Well, energy is not created. It is simply transformed from one type of energy into another type of energy. So let's say, for example, we had something like this. This is a hand generator. Now, if I were to apply mechanical energy or moving energy to this end, I would be able to allow this energy to be transformed into another type of energy that would work and allow this bulb to light up. By chance, do you think you know that type of energy that's used to make this bulb light up? Answer any comments. Let's see. Now, when I move this part here, what did you see happening? Right? So the bulb lit up. That's because when mechanical energy is applied on this side, we have a special process taking place here that allows that mechanical energy to be transformed into electrical energy. Yes, you have it. Now, with a wind turbine, it works in a similar fashion, where you have mechanical energy being applied to the front part of your wind turbine. On the inside, which is almost like this hand generator right here, we have the main powerhouse of our turbine system. It's called a generator. Now, inside this generator, there are a series of magnets and copper coils around each magnet. The magnets are placed in a circular fashion, and the copper coils wrap around each magnet in this manner. As the magnets are moved around due to the mechanical energy, the copper coils also work together with that magnet moving around, capturing any kind of energy that's passing through the system. When we look at the combination of magnets, the copper coils, and the end product, which is the electrical energy, we get a special process called electromagnetic effects coming into play. Now, with that electromagnetic effect, it then allows electrons to be passed or released out of the system, which is then going to flow through the wires, almost like this one right here, over to a point of storage or to a point of use. A point of use, in this case, was my light bulb. A point of storage would be a battery. Now, let's take a closer look at a wind turbine. Let's take a look at the parts of a wind turbine. Now, a wind turbine is made up of blades, the main part here, which connects it to the turbine or generator system, which is called the nacelle. We have our generator, which will be housed inside this system. And then we have our stabilizing base. All right, so let's cover that again. Our blades, nacelle, and on the inside we'll have our generator. Now, connecting everything together from blades to generator and then down through our base would be our wires. Just remember, we need some wires. Why are the wires important? Well, the wires allow any sort of electrons that are released from the moving magnets and coils inside the generator to be channeled down to a point of use or to a place of storage, almost like water flowing through a drain. From the point at which we have one type of energy going in, which would be from here, one type of energy going in, which would be the mechanical energy, over to the generator, which would be on the inside, and then all the way down to a point of storage or use. Now, it's important to note that wind turbines are very, very, very useful because they allow us to be able to capture what is known as renewable energy. When we're talking about renewable energy, we're simply making reference to any type of energy that can be replenished in a short space of time. That time is measured in terms of human years, not dog years, not elephant years, human years. Unlike fossil fuels, which requires millions and millions and millions of years to be replenished, wind is generated almost instantly. That is due to a combination of temperature and pressures found within our entire atmosphere. With that, wind may blow upon a system like this and turn the blades, allowing that mechanical energy to be transformed into electrical energy in a very short space of time. However, unlike fossil fuels, if we were to use up all of the fossil fuels, then it will take approximately 1.5 million years for us to get some more. So, that's going to bring me to the end of today's session. Hope you all had some fun learning a little bit about wind turbines. So, over to my colleague Andre on the activity.
Thanks for viewing and thank you for joining our Shell S.T.R.E.A.M program powered by NIHERST. Now we'd love to get your feedback, guys, so we've attached a short survey in the description box below to get your feedback. We've also made online courses available on the Ministry of Education's website at learn.moe.gov.tt. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos because they're going to be coming, and stay connected to us on our social media profiles at Instagram and Facebook at NIHERST.